Assalamualaikum friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are happy and well. So in today's videos viewers, I will share you beautiful button crafts ideas. So friends, I hope you enjoy my videos. So viewers, let's start today's video. So viewers, my first idea is friends. Today video I am sharing beautiful button crafts ideas that are easy, make and be perfect for home decoration, gifts and dye project. Button wall art: create stunning picture using colorful buttons, make flower, heart, trees, butterflies and design frame your artwork and use it to decorate your wall. Button tree art. A button tree is one of the most popular button crafts. Draw, paint a tree and use button as leaves. The result is bright, cheerful and eye-catching and weavers. And button heart art. Arrange red, pink and white button into a heart shape. This simple design make a meaningful gift for someone special. And weavers, button photo frame. Decorate plain pictures frame with button to create a personal and vibrant design. Button greeting card. Add button to handmade cards for birthday, wedding and holiday. I hope you enjoy my videos. So please subscribe to my